talking is hard. Doing stuff is hard because it requires action, and that's not something I'm good at. But I'm hoping that I can start being that. And so this is the first of many, and I hope I just keep continuously doing this. But yeah, I just needed to start something, and I needed to create forward motion, and that's something that I'm trying to live by, which is always forward motion. That I keep moving, I keep out of my comfort zone, and I'm willing to try and change and do new things and learn how to develop things that maybe don't need to be changed but need to be modified. So join me if you want, but by no means are you supposed to be here, or maybe you are. I don't know. But whatever led you here, have fun watching whatever's going on in this little weird thing. If you want to catch me anywhere else, fledglingdesigner.tumblr.com and at Brian McDaniel underscore. But yeah, good to see you guys. Bye.